thoughts on your car, Brandon?
My car is awesome. The mighty 240.
Car is gangster. Although it took us 30 minutes to get out of the snow, still.
This car
Still.
could get stuck in snow like nobody's business.
Yeah, that's snow. You see that snow? That's 3 feet high snow.
I have no winter tires. I have 3 brand name tires and 1 unknown name tire.
No name.
It's called Tiger Paw.
It's called PC, President's Choice.
Exactly. At least
Something
President's
like
Choice has rep. My left wiper has popped off its motor.
Come on, Fred. Come
So it can't.
It's gone.
And hold on a second, I'm trying to make it past this green light that is now turning yellow.
No, it's good. It's good. Oh, it's turning yellow.
One yellow.
That's alright. One yellow.
One yellow.
There's the red. One yellow.
One yellow. No, if a cop pulls me over for doing stuff like running through lights because I can't stop, this is the biggest conspiracy ever.
Oh,
Like DWB. Like DWB.
you see the car in front of us?
There's a car in front of us?
Do you see it? I see a faint shadow. Oh, seriously, there's a car in front of us somewhere out there.
Okay, put it this way.
And it's beyond our view.
I can't have to see the car behind us.
Yes.
Alright, this is how I'm driving. Oh snap!
More later. Episode 2 of
Episode 3.
Episode 3.
Episode 3, yo.
Snow disaster day.
Snow disaster.
Awesome. We love it though. Yo, peace.
Amen.
Yo, peace.
Amen. Peace.